The eyeball consists of the eye wall and its contents. The eye wall has 3 layers: fibrous, vascular, and retinal. Let's examine the fibrous layer first. It's divided into the cornea and sclera. The cornea is a transparent membrane. It lacks blood vessels but has many nerve endings. The cornea is nourished by nearby capillaries and tears. The sclera is white and covers most of the eye. It protects the eye's contents and maintains its shape. The scleral venous sinus near the cornea drains fluid. The vascular layer has 3 parts: choroid, ciliary body, and iris. It's rich in blood vessels and pigment cells. This layer nourishes eye tissues and blocks light. The iris color depends on its pigment amount. The iris has 2 muscles that control pupil size. The sphincter muscle narrows the pupil in bright light. The dilator muscle widens the pupil in dim light. The ciliary body is inside the choroid. It connects to the lens by zonular fibers. It adjusts lens shape and produces aqueous humor. The choroid nourishes the eye and absorbs stray light. The retina is the innermost layer of the eye. It has 3 parts: outer, middle, and inner. The outer and middle parts have no light sensitivity. The inner part contains photoreceptor cells. The optic disc connects to the optic nerve. It has no photoreceptors, creating a blind spot. The macula near the optic disc has many cones. I humbly request you please follow us for further informative videos. Thanks for watching.